Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to draw arrows in chess.com. Okay, so first up, make sure that you're in game. And then the first option, which is the orange or the default arrow. Okay, just gotta hold the right click on your mouse, hold and just draw. Okay, that's it. Again, hold and draw. Click on left button to erase everything, or the left click. Okay, now if you want to draw a blue arrow, well, just hold Alt, okay, Alt key on your keyboard, hold it, and then draw a line. That's blue. Now for red, hold Control, then right click, hold and drag. Now for green, hold Shift, right click, hold and drag. Now if you want a single highlight square, well, just right click, okay, just like so. Now to clear all arrows, again, left click, and you're good to go. And that is it. That is how you draw arrows in chess.com. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.